In this video I'm going to talk about some common fraction decimal equivalents. Now, in an earlier video I talked about how easy it is to change a percentage into a fraction, because we know that percent means out of 100 or over 100. So 40% is the same as 40 over 100. Now we can simplify this by looking for common factors of the numerator and the denominator, and we can see that 10 goes into both of these numbers, which means we could simplify this 40 over 100 into 4 over 10. And if you look at that number, you can see there's another common factor of the numerator and the denominator. 2 goes into both the numerator and the denominator, so I could divide 4 by 2 to give me 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So I know that 40% is equal to all of these fractions, and this is the simplified fraction. So there are quite a few commonly used decimal equivalents, and here are just a few of them. 1/2 is the same as 50%. 1/4 is half of that, which means it's half of 50, which is 25%. And 1/8 is actually half of this. Half of 20 is 10. Half of 5 is 2.5, so 1/8 is 12.5%. You're allowed to have fractions as percentages. 1/10 is the same as 10%. 1/3 is the same as 33 and 1/3%. There's another fraction appearing in the percentage. And 1/6 is 16 and 2/3%. So I'm just going to erase these and go through them again, and this time I'll pause a little bit to see if you can remember what they are, because it's quite useful to know these ones off by heart. Okay, 1/2 is, that's right, 50%. And 1/4 is, did you get it? 25%. And 1/8, this is a bit trickier. Did you get it? 12.5%. 1/10, can you remember that one? 10%. 1/3, give you a few seconds. 33 and 1/3%. And 1/6, I wonder if you got that one right. 16 and 2/3%. If you want to practice those fraction decimal equivalents, you can play the video again. Thanks for listening.